Right, here you are then. Ready? Good boy. Start off with your little bits because you're lazy. Yeah.
Wow, like she's just a single person on that little round circular stage holding the entire stadium.
She's Mariah Carey. I mean, you've got a voice like that. I don't know who was suggesting that her
Good
voice
boy.
because it's one of the great voices in pop.
Yeah.
It will remain that.
Making a mess of that, aren't you?
Will Smith was there as well.
Getting jiggered, eh?
They're eating. Don't. Why do you not like the gizzard no more?
It's a lovely moment. Obviously, it was Father's Day.
Here.
Aiden up onto the stage. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
If Jamiroquai was a Viking, that's how he would work. And he did a lovely thing, just telling all the parents out there to send their kids, give them a hug and tell them, which is really, really sweet. And then, you can watch that, by the way, at 5:30 on Sunday on ITV1.
No.
You check out the whole thing. Yeah. So look, I think
Good boy. Get eating.
it's Noel Edmonds, showbiz.
Come on, get it eaten.
And longevity, showbiz obsession.
Yeah.
So he's been living in New Zealand.
Sometimes I have to trick him.
And he's back on our screens now.
No flying away. No flying away with food. You know the rules.
Routine, right? Because he is looking good. He looks great. Do you know how old Noel Edmonds is?
No.
It's the hair, it's the face. I mean, he's got a lot of makeup on there, but he has the most incredible.
Oh, are you offering me that? Well, thank you. That's him offering me food. Thank you. That's really kind. Mate, we need to get something new though, because I can't have mine later. Boy. See if I can get the gizzard in him now. I'm just making him come down on the glove for it. There we go. Because I've given him a different bit. He's a bit lazy, doesn't like big things to eat. Obviously he's been born in captivity, so he'll just like chop them up. But I think they were capable of swallowing the whole chick. He would if he was in the wild, but just because when we first got him, I was learning to fly to the glove. And obviously we use like little bits, so hence that's why we do the little bits now. He's pretty good normally, but he doesn't like mice for some reason. He's gone off them. Yeah. But it's dropped. There you go. He's gone off mice. He's been off them quite a while now. So what we do is we put him a supplement. It goes on all his food and that gives him all his vitamins and his minerals and everything he could want. Which he's in good condition. And yeah, in good condition. He's too busy looking at himself in me iMac. No. No flying away with food, you know the rules. That's right. Oh, who's that? Well, that's a story. But you give me that, but you've gone a little bit. Yeah, we have here. And this one instead. Sometimes he eats it all, other times he leaves it, other times we'll just move him around a bit. He's breathing on us now. Finished? Good boy. Whoops there. Right, come on and back down. It's more food now. Normally sometimes he needs to think, breathe at the minute. It's actually paired with my husband at the moment, so as soon as he sees him, that's all he's wanting to do. Come on. You haven't had very much today, have you? Yeah. He's always the same at this time of year. Here. No? I think you've had enough, haven't you? You've had, well, you've eaten some. He's left that. To be honest, that'll go to the cause. We'll put it on a bed table outside and the cause all come feeding their young. So it's not going to waste. Now. What do you make of that? I obviously use tweezers, but my husband doesn't. There you go. What's all that about? Is it? It's you? It's you? What'd you think of that? He's a good lad. He's a good boy. He is. No, he likes that. Oh, yeah. It's quite calm there. Hey. Yeah, he says, I'm all calm. So in his head, haven't we? Then. You showing people how you clean me fingers, even though I've never touched nothing. He's amazing. He's my little cutie pie, ain't you? I've been in the shower as well, hence why I've got this top on. Go and get changed, don't I? I thought I'd get him fed first. If anybody has any questions or anything, or any videos you want to do with him, just let me know in the comments section down below. It's quite tickly actually. Isn't it? It's tickly. Yeah. It's tickly.